Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Make sure both devices have cellular or Wi-Fi and location services turned on, and sign into the correct Apple ID. Once done, open the Find My app. If it still shows location not available, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Next, restart the Find My app, and if required, force close and reopen the app so settings refresh and background processes restart. Now you'll dig into account and permission details. This is the critical middle step. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Find My, and confirm Share My Location is enabled for your device. Make sure date and time and region are set automatically. Inconsistent time zones can prevent location updates. Also confirm the other person has granted you permission to see their location and isn't in Do Not Disturb or Share with You settings, because those states can silently block updates. Finish with network and recovery actions you can do quickly. If connectivity remains flaky, reset network settings. Remember, this clears saved Wi-Fi passwords, so have them handy. Then update iOS on both devices. Many location problems are fixed in system updates. Once updated, have your friend toggle Share My Location off and back on, or sign out of iCloud and sign back in. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip. Test with a different contact to isolate whether the issue is the account or the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.